So good morning. So in this video I am going to show my IT practical. So for doing the IT practical we need to just open the Excel sheet. So here I am going to show you how to make the mark sheet on the Excel sheet. So on the type box we have to search Excel sheet. We need to download that app first, which is like this Excel app, and then enter. So the app will open. It will take somewhat time. Due to the low RAM, it is like this only. So wait, it will open. I will type one more time. So now it will open. It's opening. In this video I am going to show you how to make the mark sheet of any student. So here the my Excel tab opens. So like this the menu is there. So first of all, here you can see there are the formula tutorials, billing statement, blood pressure tracker. There are 3 tutorials, but that I have already watched that tutorials, and I have created one file also here, which I will show you afterwards. First of all, I will show you how to create a mark sheet on this. So I am going to click on the blank workbook. It will open, and after this I will have to make it bigger. So as you can see here, there are some rows and columns. This A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Till here, these are called as the rows. What is called as? It is called as the rows. And the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9, 10, like till 21, it's called as the columns. In another word, we can the group of wait the number of the rows means the group of the rows, these rows, this is called as the cardinality, and the number of columns, which are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, these are called as the degree. So you got it, that what is meant by the cardinality and what is meant by the degree. It can ask in the exam. This question can ask in the exam. So let's suppose I have to create my school name here. So I will select the F, till I will make it bigger, till here, till N, and then I have to click in this box. So I have to write here. So I will write here the school name. So suppose your school name is suppose your school is Emerald. So your school name is ZP Primary School. So I will write here ZP, and then I will write PRIMARY Primary CHWL School, and where it is present, that I will also write, and the year also I will write, that is 2021. Wait, somewhat wrong, it is 2021 to 22. Like this I will write, and then I will click enter. So as you can see, the school name is printed here, ZP Primary School, Baroda 2021. So now I have to write here subjects. I have written here the subjects. That means I will write here the subjects, and I will write here the marks of PT1. Here I will write, wait guys, marks of P1 only I will write here, because the space in the box is not that much. So I will write here marks of P1 in this another box. Okay, so it is done. So in another box I will write marks P2, and here I will write final exam. So I will write here term 1 only, term 1. So these are the boxes, as you can see here, and here I will write name, name of the students, and the total I will write also here, total. As you can see here, I have written this much. So here you can write the subject. First I will write here name, that is XYZ. He got his subject is English. Suppose it is English subject, and he in P1 out of 40 he got 38. In P2 he got 35, and in term 1 he got 40, sorry, 39. So if I have to do the total here, as you can see here the total is, and if I have to do the total without calculating 38, 35 and 39, so there is the formula in the Excel. Wait, my camera is not justifying. Wait guys. So now there is the formula. So what I will have to do, I will have to just click equals to sign, then I have to create one bracket, then I have to write the sum, then I have to create one bracket again. So then, sorry, not sum, then I have to select the G. As you can see, this is the G column, and in that G, so in that G, which column, which number row is this? It is a fourth number row. So fourth G I have to select, therefore I have to write here G4, then I have to write double dot. As you can see here, G4 then double dot, then I have to write, wait guys, as you can see here G4, and then I have to create I have applied that dot also, then I have to write here which is this I, and this column is row is 4, so I have to write here I4. Okay, as you can see it is coming in the blue, and I have to complete the bracket, and then as I will click on the enter button, as you can see here there is the enter button. If I will click the enter button, then the total will be there. As you can see, this 3 columns total is came here, that means the total sum formula is correct. So after this I can also make your maths. In PT1 he got sorry 91, not, it is of 40 marks only. Out of 40 he got, no, total, this is the total marks. And wait, I will create here here I will create 40 plus 40 plus 40, and 120 total, total total, and got out of wait, got out of 120 he got 112. So in English and in maths he got 27, and another 37, and in this 38 he got. So I have to do this sum also. So without wasting any time, if I don't have to write any formula, just I have to, if अगर अपने को फॉर्मूला नहीं लगाना होगा तो जस्ट अपने को क्या करना है, इन सबको सिलेक्ट कर लेना है कुछ इस तरीके से. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि ये तीनों सिलेक्ट हो चुके हैं. तो आउट ऑफ 120 पहले यहाँ पे मैं लिख लेता हूँ कि कितने मार्क्स का है, वो 120 का ही होगा. तो 120 का है, तो अपने को यहाँ पे कितने इसको मिले वो अगर अपने को चेक करने होंगे. तो वेट, दिस इज समवॉट रॉन्ग हियर. सो हियर ही गॉट 38 and here he got 35. Okay, so if I have to do it's what I can say, wait, guys, like this. If I have to select like this. If you will select like this, no, then it will be blank. Just what we have to do, if I will type here 30, sorry guys, 35, then 36, then 37 he got. If I will select like this, then it will be whole blank. If I will select like this, then it will be whole 35 only, as you can see. And like this we don't have to select, we have to just select like this. Wait, I will show you. 37, 38, we have to select like this. Just I have to select click on the middle, and then I have to select like this. Now it not change in the 35. So after this, what I have to do, in editing tab there is one icon like this, and in that icon I have to just select the sum. As I will create on this, as I will click on the sum, its sum will automatically will generate. As you can see here, 1110 the sum has generated. As you can see here, out of 120 he got 1112. Okay, so like this I can do of Hindi also. Hindi. Hindi is but this sum is but this task you can do only when you are you can do in online mode also and in offline also. If you are online also, then you can create also, then also you can create, and if you are offline, then also you can create. So here he got out of 30 he got 30, sorry, out of 40 he got 30, 30 out of 40 he got 30 and 36, and he got in term one he got out of. So I have to make it sum. So a formula I will tell you, that is equals to, then I have to create one bracket, then I have to click on the sum, then I have to see that which column and which line it is. It is J6, so I have to write J6. Then I have to write the form to like this dots, and then I have to select, sorry, J6 not, I have to do sum from here to here. These three lines I have to do the sum. So that's why I have to select G sum G, wait, G6, then I have to do give the two dots, and then G6. After G6, what I will have to write, I have to directly write the number of this tab, that is this cell, sorry, tab not cell, this is one I6, therefore I6. My first one is wrong, I think so. It is not coming wrong, it is giving name. So I will have to select again G6. Now it is okay. I have to give the space in between them. So after this I have to click it. Wait guys, it is somewhat wrong. G6 also I have created, and this also I will have given. I think so this is like this. Then also it is not coming. If you will type the wrong formula na, then it will be like this only. I will show you the correct formula one. Wait, I will show the correct formula of this. Just go in this tab, then sum. Wait, first of all I have to select this whole tab, not like that. In proper manner I have to select. I have selected this, and then I have to go in this tab, then I have to select on the sum. Then here, as you can see here, the sum have came. Now double click on that tab and you will you will get the formula. So here what I have confused in here, सम को ही मैंने ब्रैकेट में लिख दिया और इन दोनों को मैंने ब्रैकेट में नहीं लिखा, इसलिए वो गड़बड़ हो गया. अब सपोज आपको स्पोर्ट्स है, स्पोर्ट्स में आपको मिले हैं आउट ऑफ 38 and 37. So which formula you will apply? Then again I have to apply here equals to, then sum, then bracket. Then what I will have to select, I just have to see the G7. So G7, wait, G7, then dot, then I7, then I have to close the comma. So if I will do the enter, there are one more circular reference with the formula refer. Okay, so it is 0 claimed, somewhat again now wrong. L7 it is. I have to select I7 by mistakenly. You don't have to do like this mistake in the exam practical. So here you can see there is 115. So if I have to do the total of this in this 120 only, because it is of 120. Okay, so I have to do this sum. So what I will do, I will just have to select this whole, sorry guys, I will have to select like this tab. Wait, like this tab I have to select, and then I have to sit on this and then sum. This, that is 480. If you want to see the formula, then just do the double click on this, that is K4 to K7. The formula is same. Now I will show you this. Therefore now I have to write here what I will have to write. I will have to write first equals to, then I will have to sum, then I will have to do one bracket, then I have to write J what, J4, then 2 comma, then I have to write J7. As you can see, this whole gets selected, and after closing this, after entering, that is 443. Like this the formula is that. For more time, if you want to save the time, just you can do the sum here and just select this and then just do the sum. Okay, just select sum. As you can see here, the mark sheet get created. Here you can write the total, total total. As you can see guys, here the mark sheet has been created. So if you wants to know more about the Excel sheet, then subscribe to my channel and comment down. I will show you what you want in the next video. Till then, goodbye.